Welcome to the Louisville Metro Revenue Commission's tutorial on how to request access to a client's tax account on EMINTS. This request is limited to third-party logons. Please note all tax information used in this demonstration is fictitious and for instructional purposes only. To get started, we're going to navigate to our EMINTS homepage at emints.metrorevenue.org and enter the third party's username and password. And once you get logged in, we're going to need our client's account information. So first we're going to access the Accountant Center. This is where a lot of the links are for our web requests. And we're in the Access Management panel, we're going to request access to the client's account. Here's the information you're going to need. And on the next step is where you'll start entering that client's account information. So you can change their account type and enter their account ID. And change their ID type if needed to Social Security number or taxpayer identification number, their business name, and their zip code. And click Next. And in this field, you're going to enter your name as the requester. And if they have additional account types, you can click Add Account Type and choose from the drop-down if you need access to their employer quarterly withholding or transient account, whichever the tax accounts the client may have. If you've clicked it by mistake, you can just click the X to remove that and click Next. So this is the review step. So you're requesting access to this account type and account ID, and you'll just click Submit. And this is your confirmation. Please note that the letter will be mailed to your client, and on that letter is an access code that they will need to provide to you as the third party. Please watch our next video for granting access or gaining access to that customer for the next steps.